Hello everyone, I'm Sam. Today, let's unbox the latest wall-mounted AP of HUAWEI eKit AP160. We can see that the product specifications and features are printed on the package. Let's open it. It's white, a classic neutral colour that goes with everything. This makes it suitable for most interior decoration styles. With a very sleek look, the AP160 has an 8mm ultra-thin body. It is almost invisible on the wall. Edges of the AP160 are cut in the same way that diamonds are cut, maintaining the same elegant design as the other product series. Today, users are very concerned about network information security. AP160 provides the industry's highest level of wireless network security, using 𝗹𝗲𝗯 to prevent personal information leakage and secure network access. With built-in smart antennas, the AP160 achieves intelligent signal optimization and increases the wireless signal coverage by 20%. Signals of the AP160 are similar to a spotlight on a stage that follows performers as they move. With always-on signals, users no longer need to worry about game disconnections or freezing. In addition, the AP160 supports OFDMA and 𝗨 joint scheduling. Multiple users and devices can access the internet at the same time without freezing. The AP160 complies with European household-grade environmental protection standards. The eco-friendly PC material is not harmful and will not turn yellow over time. Smooth to the touch, the AP160 is a pleasure to hold, and with omnidirectional heat dissipation, the surface will not get too hot even after the AP runs for a long time, ensuring stability. The installation is really easy, requiring just a regular 86 type junction box. I was told the AP160 is deployed using the HUAWEI eKit app and can go online in just 3 minutes. Is it really that convenient? Let's try it out. The device is now powered on. We open the HUAWEI eKit app. Go to the service section from the homepage and tap Deploy Now. Then we select the SME network product. We can see there are 2 deployment modes: Wi-Fi deployment and deployment by scanning the QR code. All HUAWEI eKit APs support these 2 deployment modes. Here, we test the Wi-Fi deployment mode. Entering the project name. Okay, networking succeeded. The time? Under 3 minutes. It really is that quick and simple. Now, let's test the speed. We can see the rate stays around 800 to 900 megabits per second, which should easily meet the network speed requirements in most scenarios. This AP is suitable for many scenarios, such as economy hotels, villas, small stores, and enterprise executive offices. That's all for today's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Once again, I'm Sam. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.